how to connect Squarespace domain to GoDaddy. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's show you how you will be able to transfer the domain that you have in Squarespace into your GoDaddy. So assuming that we have a domain in Squarespace, what you're going to do in GoDaddy is to go over here, locate domains over here, and select the option transfer domain names. Select this and you will be redirected to this page. So simply enter the domain that you have in your Squarespace. So let's say something random for now. So let's say random.com. And if that domain is yours, it will request you or prompt you to have the options, or like what you're going to need to do is to provide the authorization key, disable the domain lock, and there is a certain duration before you could transfer. Specifically, I think 60 days before you could transfer your domains from Squarespace. So simply enter your domain over here to transfer it into your GoDaddy. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.